Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for auto pickup features on IRS Online services, follow these simple steps to understand available appointment and service options. Step 1. Visit the official IRS website at irs.gov to access online services and appointment scheduling systems. Step 2. Create or sign in to your IRS account by clicking on Sign in to your online account on the homepage. You'll need to verify your identity through ID.me or similar services. Step 3. Navigate to the section relevant to your needs, such as Get your tax record, Make a payment, or Get answers to your tax questions. Step 4. If you need to schedule an appointment with the IRS, use the Contact Your Local Office tool to find nearby taxpayer assistance centers. Step 5. Understand that the IRS doesn't have a traditional auto pickup feature, but you can set up automatic notifications for important tax deadlines and account updates. Step 6. To receive automatic reminders, ensure your email address and phone number are current in your IRS account profile settings. Step 7. Enable e-delivery options for tax documents and notices to receive them electronically rather than waiting for postal mail. Step 8. For tax transcripts, you can request automatic delivery to your email or download them immediately through the Get Transcript online tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.